try the pop with this sambal.
Alright. So what's going on here? Just grab a piece and spoon the sambal in there. Ooh, we gotta put the camera down for this one. A first for me, fried chicken with no skin. But I like it. I feel like it wouldn't make any sense that you take the skin off and it's still juicy, but it's got to be that marination with the coconut water. Oh, and that tomato sambal, it's fiery. It's got a quick heat, fire, kind of just citrusy, almost got a little freshness to it.
Here's about the chili salad on the